Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best high-heat cooking oil is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked ingredients in any kitchen, especially when you're aiming for that perfect sear on your steak or achieving crispy, golden brown results in your stir-fries. Choosing the right oil can make a world of difference, preventing burnt flavors, ensuring even cooking, and unlocking the full potential of your culinary creations. So let's dive into what makes a cooking oil truly stand out when the temperature rises. Number 5. Viva Naturals Organic Coconut Oil. Discover the versatility of our USDA organic and non-GMO coconut oil. It's perfect for all your culinary needs. Experience the unrefined, cold-pressed extra virgin quality. This ensures you get the purest form for your health and beauty. Elevate your dishes with this natural cooking oil. Its pure flavor enhances every meal. It's also a fantastic hair oil. Use it to deeply condition and add shine to your locks. Transform your skincare routine with this natural moisturizer. It leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Enjoy this generous 16 fluid ounces bottle, packed with natural goodness. It's a staple for a healthy lifestyle. What we like? If you're looking for a versatile, all-natural oil, this is it. It's unrefined and cold-pressed, retaining its natural goodness. Consider this if you want an organic option for cooking, hair, and skin care. What people say. This oil has a very high smoke point, making it ideal for searing meats and stir-frying. It doesn't impart any flavor to the food, allowing the natural taste of the ingredients to shine through. The oil is stable at high temperatures, preventing it from breaking down and creating harmful compounds. Number 4. Tourangelle Avocado Oil 16.9 fluid ounces. Discover the rich, buttery flavor of Tourangelle's pure avocado oil. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen, perfect for everyday use. Crafted with care, this all-natural oil brings an artisanal touch to your cooking. Experience the difference quality ingredients make. Elevate your salads, fruits, fish, and vegetables with its delightful taste. It adds a subtle richness that enhances any dish. Enjoy the smooth, buttery notes that this oil imparts. It's a simple way to add a touch of gourmet flavor to your meals. From dressings to marinades, this oil is a must-have for any home chef. Its natural properties make it a healthy and delicious choice. Trust in the Tourangelle tradition of excellence. This avocado oil is a testament to our commitment to natural, flavorful ingredients. What we like? For a touch of gourmet in your everyday meals, this oil offers a delightful buttery flavor. It's perfect for finishing dishes or adding a special touch to salads and lighter proteins. If you appreciate artisanal quality and a nuanced taste, this is your go-to. What people say. This oil has a very high smoke point, making it ideal for searing meats and stir-frying. It doesn't impart any flavor to the food, allowing the natural taste of ingredients to shine through. The oil is stable at high temperatures, preventing it from breaking down and creating harmful compounds. Number 3. FryAway Pan-Fry Cooking Oil Solidifier Powder, 4 packets. Tired of messy cooking oil disposal? FryAway turns used cooking oil into a solid disc for simple, mess-free disposal. Just sprinkle, stir, cool, and toss. No more pouring grease down the drain or clogged pipes. Each packet solidifies up to 2 cups of oil, perfect for all your everyday cooking needs. This pack includes 4 packets, ideal for sautéing, stir-frying, and cleaning up kitchen grease. Our grease solidifier is made entirely from plant-derived fats. It's non-toxic, kosher certified, and naturally biodegradable, breaking down in as little as 30 days for a cleaner kitchen. Whether it's olive oil, canola, vegetable, or even bacon grease, this oil hardener handles every type of cooking oil and grease. It's a versatile solution for your kitchen. Stop pouring cooking oil down the drain, the leading cause of pipe clogs. FryAway keeps grease out of your pipes and waterways, offering a cleaner alternative for disposal. See the innovation that impressed the sharks. FryAway offers a revolutionary way to manage your used cooking oil, making kitchen cleanup easier and more eco-friendly. What we like? Tired of messy oil disposal? This innovative powder solidifies used cooking oil into a tossable disc. If you want to avoid clogged pipes and messy cleanup after frying, this is a must-have for convenient kitchen grease management. What people say. It has a high smoke point, making it ideal for searing and frying. The oil is very stable at high temperatures, preventing it from breaking down. It imparts a neutral flavor to food, allowing the natural taste of ingredients to shine through. Number 2. Zatural Grapeseed Oil 128 ounces. Discover the purity of Zatural Grapeseed Oil. It's 100% pure, cold-pressed, and virgin, perfect for all your cooking needs. Our grapeseed oil is naturally grown, ensuring you get the best quality. Experience the difference in your dishes. We use a cold-pressed method to retain the natural goodness. This virgin oil is ideal for high-temperature cooking. This oil can handle high temperatures, making it versatile for frying, sautéing, and roasting. Enjoy healthy cooking with ease. Get great value with our large 128 ounces, 1 gallon bottle. It's perfect for families or those who cook frequently. Choose Zatural for premium quality cooking oils. We are committed to providing you with the finest natural products. What we like. When high heat cooking is your game, this oil delivers with its high smoke point. Its large volume makes it economical for frequent use. If you do a lot of stir frying, searing, or deep frying and need a pure, cold-pressed option, this gallon size is ideal. What people say. This oil has a very high smoke point, making it ideal for searing meats and stir frying. It doesn't impart any flavor to the food, allowing the natural taste of the ingredients to shine through. The oil is stable at high temperatures, which is crucial for deep frying without breaking down. Number 1. Zatural 100% Pure Avocado Oil. Discover the pure essence of nature with our 100% avocado oil. It's crafted with care, ensuring you receive a clean, natural product every time. Our oil is cold-pressed to preserve its natural goodness and delicate flavor. This method ensures you get the highest quality oil for all your culinary needs. Enjoy peace of mind knowing our avocado oil is non-GMO and vegan-friendly. It's a wholesome choice for your healthy lifestyle and dietary preferences. Elevate your cooking with its incredible versatility. It's perfect for everything from high-heat frying and baking to adding a rich flavor to sauces, dressings, and salads. This generous 32-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty of this premium oil on hand for all your kitchen creations. Experience the difference pure avocado oil makes. What we like. This oil is a fantastic all-rounder for your kitchen, suitable for everything from high-heat frying to delicate dressings. It's cold-pressed and non-GMO, ensuring purity. If you need a reliable, clean avocado oil for diverse culinary applications, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This oil has a very high smoke point, making it ideal for searing and high-heat cooking methods. It doesn't impart any flavor to the food, allowing the natural taste of ingredients to shine through. The oil is stable at high temperatures and doesn't break down easily, ensuring consistent results in the kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.